Good morning, class. Today we will discuss in the chapter climate season. As we know that there are four main seasons. After monsoon, just we discuss about the systematic term of the seasons. So the monsoon type of climate, as we know, characterized by the distinct seasonal pattern. The weather condition greatly changed from the one season to another season, and these changes are particularly noticeable in the interior part of our country. So firstly we'll take the cold season. As we know that in the coastal areas we don't experience any kind of variation in the temperature, and there is the variation in rainfall pattern in India. As I told you that they decrease from east to west. So firstly we'll take the season cold weather season. This is very simple. In junior classes we have discussed, but little bit it is different here, because when we discuss the whole season, cold weather season in our country, we see that the temperature is accordingly varies from one place to another. So the cold weather season begins from mid November in the northern part of India and stays till the month of February. December and January are the coldest month in the November in the northern part of India, and the temperature decreases from south to the north. From south to the north means as we know that the Tropic of Cancer passes amid from India, and in south generally we less experience the variation in temperature, but generally in some part of India it decreases. So south to north some changes uh, experienced by the people. So average temperature in Chennai at this time generally recorded 24 degree to 25 degrees Celsius in south. So while at northern plain it remains between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. So you can say that the variation is of 20 to 5 24 to 25 degree, and in northern India it is 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degree Celsius. As we know that days are warmer and the nights are cold, the frost is common. First you can understand that the sleet, which we call on the higher slope of Himalaya, we experience snowfall, and in the foothills of Himalaya like Shivaliks, or you can say in the downhills generally sleet is found. Means generally you see that on the grass some snow means structure comes on. So during this season, if we proceed to further, we see that the northern is trade wind prevail over the country. Trade wind means a particular blow of the wind is continuous, and they blow from land to sea. In when we were discussing the mechanism of monsoon, we have seen that on the land at this time or over Himalayas the wind pressure is high, and over ocean it is low. So the most of part of our country, and it is dry season. Why? Because after monsoon, generally in northern part of India, dry winds blow and amount of rainfall occurs in Tamil Nadu and the coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra, or basically in the eastern part of our country. The reason behind, we know that it is the westerly disturbance, all things we have read in, and these winds are they blow from sea to land in the coastal region in south. So the northern part of our country, a feeble high pressure region develops. Feeble means weak, we can say. So high pressure region develops, and with the light winds moving outwards from this area influences by the relief. Relief means the land, and these winds blow through the Ganga Valley from west to the northwest, and the weather is normally marked by the clear sky. This particularly we can experience in northern plain of India. During the winter type night, you can say we see that night is clear, the skies is clear, but in the morning the situation uh, just become opposite or reverses, and the low temperature and low humidity and feeble variation of wind is there. So like first characteristics we have read that what is the temperature in northern India, and in the same time period what is the temperature in south. Another, we have seen that the generally there is a blow of wind, and mild wind blow and season is dry. Thirdly, we have seen in northern part of country, like the nights are clear. And fourth characteristics, if we see that the cold weather season over the northern plain is inflow of cyclonic disturbance. We know that generally whatever the rainfall take place in winter time, it is because of cyclonic disturbance or westerly disturbance. That much we read in the mechanism of monsoon. And these low pressure system originate over Mediterranean Sea and the Western Asia and move to India. So all these I had explained earlier. So just keep in mind and try to understand this paragraph on the basis of that explanation, along with the westerly flow, and they causes much needed winter rain over the plain and snowfall in the mountain. Means the same thing take place in the mountain, snowfall take place, and in the northern region, what we feel generally light rainfall take place, although the total amount of rainfall is locally known as Mahavat. And this is Mahavat. Sometime you can understand by this, means sometime heavy rainfall also take place, or means like in a small time. It's not a continuous like a monsoon type of rainfall. Means rainfall it just change the climate in northern plain of India, and their immense importance of cultivation of rabi crop. Rabi crop means it at this time particularly this crop needs water, so that the crop can be the yield can be good in this part. And the peninsular region, if we are talking about, so it is not well defined in the cold season. We know that that is the region is of surrounded by three side of water, so that's why seldom cold is experienced in this region, and highly noticeable season change to temperature pattern during the winter due to the moderating influence of sea. Because when we talk about winter or summer both, so they are less experienced in this region, and they are moderate in of climatic condition. So the cold weather season till here we had discussed today. So means simply we will you can say explain it by the day characteristics, and the about the wind, about the reason, and about the rainfall, and from point of view of agriculture. So we stop this video here, and tomorrow we'll discuss the hot weather season. Thank you. Have a nice day.